Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to solve the WhatsApp QR code scanning problem. If you're having trouble with WhatsApp Web not loading the QR code, there are a few steps you can follow to fix this issue. First, open your browser. We will be using Chrome for this tutorial, but the steps are similar for other browsers like Firefox. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser and go to History. Then click on History again. Next, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new window will open. Here, you want to clear your browsing history, cookies, and cache. Make sure you select All Time as the time range. Then, switch to the Advanced tab and make sure these options are still selected. Click on Clear Data. This will remove your browsing history, cookies, and cached images from your browser. After clearing the data, restart your browser. Close it completely and then open it again. Now, type WhatsApp Web in the address bar and go to the WhatsApp web page. You should see the QR code loading correctly now. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.